In this video, I will be letting you in on my Cauldron Protein Powerhouse Cup of Joey in the morning. Do about 5 scoops about 5 or 6 scoops of this organic cane sugar, a little bit of nutmeg. I don't typically put nutmeg in there, but I have it right now. A little bit of cinnamon. Mega Mushroom 10-in-1 formula. This is insanely good for you. 1 little scoop goes a long way, trust me on the taste on that. That's all you need. Chia and flaxseed mix. A wee bit of hemp. A wee bit of hemp seeds. A little bit of molasses. Some vegan brain body boost where proceeds go towards helping the animals. Helping all sorts of sanctuary animals and wild animals like gorillas. It has taurine, beta-alanine, creatine, which this kind of stuff can be extremely important for us athletes.
And last but not least, I always switch up my proteins that I put in there. Got vanilla Orgain, chocolate Orgain, and the Garden of Life coffee. And the macros on this are incredible, bruh. The ingredients are like crazy clean mineral compounds, like the minerals and nutrients are just off the charts. Some proteins, like animal source, are not only bad for the environment, animals, and you, but yeah, cause cancer to where stuff like this fights cancer, and so forth.
The Pineapple Wise One has chosen pure vanilla today. Yep, this is a protein powerhouse with the chia seed, mushroom, hemp, and protein powder, depending if I go with the coffee, which is 28 grams of protein. The coffee has 190 calories, 28 grams of protein, and the Orgain vanilla chocolate has 160 calories for 21 grams of protein. And we're going with these 2 coffees that I have right now. Brown sugar, cinnamon. There was actually way more brown sugar and cinnamon than I thought was going to be in that. I'm a little tired today, going with 7 scoops. But they're not 7 heaping scoops. And my favorite plant milks that are chock full of everything you need. All your omegas, B12, and my coffee cauldron is done. That is it.